In today's episode, we'll be talking about what's wrong with the Foxbody. There seemed to be kind of like whining noise every time I turn the wheel. Just whines. I'm not sure what it could be right now. I like to figure out what it is. See, when I turn this wheel around, it just makes whining noise. I like to get that fixed. Also, that's a speaker. Down on the speaker. And also I need a radio and back speakers. I got door panels and I need door handles for those. Everything else is pretty good. Also I need new radiator and a car radiator cover. Alternator's not bad, so I need to replace that. Other than that, the car's pretty much good. It just needs paint, but also I found something wrong with the gas. Let me turn it off for a second. I don't know if you can see it, but it's leaking gas. It's like somewhere around this area. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a video up of it leaking. Just hold on. I'm not sure what it is to fix that. So I'm gonna make this short and simple. All I need is new radiator, radiator cover, alternator, door covers and door handles for the inside, speakers, and a radio. And after that, I think it's cool. It'll be a pretty cool car to build. If you guys want to see more cool videos on this cool car, let me know what you guys think. Also, remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and tell me what I should do to this car. I also think about making like a custom grill for the car. I think it'd be cool. yeah, just let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.